Hey, I'm from Innoduel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how ESG reporting can be transformed. Firstly, from a cost into an investment. Secondly, how can it be made more effective? Thirdly, how to make it engaging for stakeholders. And fourthly, how ESG reporting can vaccinate you against greenwashing. And most importantly, how ESG reporting can be turned into a strategic tool for your executive team. So how do we transform ESG reporting from a cost to an investment? Simply by integrating ESG management requirements into your own management system at both strategic and operational levels. When regular management processes are conducted properly, ESG reporting naturally emerges as a byproduct. Now, how can you vaccinate your brand against greenwashing through ESG reporting? With Innoduel's help, even broad stakeholder groups can have their communal voice heard. By utilizing this information and the community's voice, you can be sure you're not talking nonsense. And thus, you have vaccinated your brand against greenwashing. How does ESG reporting become a strategic tool for the executive team? ESG requirements include several demands for strategic management. For instance, identifying impacts from stakeholders leads to understanding risks and opportunities. Innoduel's operating model produces executive-level, easy-to-read reports. For example, prioritizing risks from the perspective of size, by staff, and by the executive team and board is presented in a simple XY coordinate system, making decision-making and discussion more straightforward and obvious. How does ESG reporting turn into a tool for engaging stakeholders? Well, first of all, there are many requirements that need to be met from the perspective of stakeholder engagement, and additionally, people commit to decisions if they feel they have been involved in making those decisions. With Innoduel's model, anonymously, people participate in generating the wisdom of crowds. The act of gathering information itself is a marketing campaign that has significance and impact. From the easy-to-read report, you get content for future marketing campaigns that are sure to work and represent the opinions of the customers. And all this while simultaneously gathering information for the leadership and for ESG reporting. Well, how can you start? Call us, or send a message, or visit our website to learn more from our experts. You can also book a free consultation. Or perhaps you just want to send us a request for proposal. We'd be happy to make an offer. How would you like to get started?